Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Sedona LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 276 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.